In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an itinerary on Canva. We'll walk through choosing a template, customizing it so it fits your trip, adding helpful visual elements and exporting it so your links stay clickable. Start by opening Canva and using the search bar at the top. Type itinerary or travel itinerary. You'll see a variety of pre-designed templates in different styles. From minimalist to colorful, pick one that matches your trip's vibe and the amount of information you plan to include. If you are traveling for several days, choose a layout with multiple pages or one that's easy to duplicate. On the cover page, replace the placeholder text with your trip title like Paris 2026 and swap the images to match your destination. You can upload your own photos or choose from Canva's library. Make sure the headline is readable at a glance and that the photo doesn't overpower it. Adjust image size, crop, and transparency, if needed so your title stands out cleanly. Move to the daily schedule pages. Use the existing text boxes or add new ones to outline each day's activities. Flight times and accommodation details. Keep times consistent, like using a 24 or a 12 or format throughout. And include locations for clarity. If your itinerary spans multiple days, duplicate a finished page to keep formatting consistent page to page. Align text carefully so it's easy to scan and avoid cramming too much on one page. White space helps. Open the Elements tab to add icons that highlight activities, such as hiking, dining, museums, or transport. Search for simple, clean icons and keep them in one color so the page doesn't feel busy. You can also add a small map graphic or a shape to separate sections. Use lines or boxes to create clear blocks for morning, afternoon, and evening plans. If your template doesn't already include them, if you want quick access to directions or confirmations, link text or images to external sites. Select the text or photo. Click the link option in the toolbar and paste the URL. This works well for Google Maps locations, airline check-in pages, or hotel confirmation documents. Make sure your link text is descriptive so you know exactly what it opens later. Before exporting, review your layout for consistent fonts, sizes, and colors. Headings should match across pages, and the color palette should feel cohesive. When you are satisfied, click Share, choose Download, and select PDF for the best. Clickable results. Open the PDF and test your links to confirm they work. That's it. Thanks for watching.